Be careful how you use it.
What are we in, Paul?
We are in the CLA 45.
CLA45.
AMG.
Inline 4, 375 horsepower out of a bi-turbo inline 4.
Yes.
And it's
we are being told it is the fastest four-cylinder engine you can
currently
have in this country.
We'll just call him Paul the Cone Killer.
Oops.
Yes.
I always am a big fan of the red. The ring
band.
The ring at the top of the steering wheel.
I love it too.
I think that's very cool.
Now, are we in Sport Plus race? What are we in?
Oh, don't tell me it's got auto.
It does. I can see the A there. Yeah, okay, let's turn that off.
Yeah, we're gonna go in race. I don't know if we're gonna do it because it's still a little wet.
It's still a little wet. Sport Plus
we'll
though.
Do Sport Plus.
Ooh, nice pop and burble out of there.
I'll tell you one thing. That stupid screen that we're talking about, it's blocking my visibility.
Yeah, it needs to go away. I mean,
it's actually hard to see the apexes of the turns when I'm going right.
It seems very energetic though.
Oh no, power is there. Grip is there. It's pretty flat.
Yeah, although there's definitely a little more body roll than you get in.
Yeah, there is some body roll, but it's manageable.
Yeah, brakes seem good.
You get some rev matching. Brakes are good. Brakes are phenomenal, actually.
All right.
I mean, it's an AMG product, so obviously there's going to be great brakes, great engine, and great steering feel, as well as handling.
Yeah, makes a good noise.
The only thing I will say, like, compared to now that we just stepped out of the Type R, it's a little bit less involving here. Like you almost feel like you're kind of along for the ride. And it's got this funny little thing, like Volvo has it too, and maybe some other brands, maybe BMW and stuff, the European brands, but like automatic and forced braking. Like when I really step on the brakes, it wants to continue the braking for me. That's a little weird.
Yeah, I think we just activated the safety braking coming into that last turn.
I think so.
I wonder if that's something that you can turn off. Maybe
that's in race mode? I don't know. You would think Sport Plus would get rid of it, but...
it must be in race mode. I do love that exhaust note.
Yeah, it is good. No, this car is just solid. Like, you could do this all day long. I mean, it's a solid car. Not probably the most emotional car out there. Not the most engaging car. But it's just a solid, fast track car.
And all this out of a 4-cylinder.
Yeah. It's hard to believe it's just a 4-cylinder. And this is the worst time when we have to go into
the pits.
Into the pits.
Really, it's a very nice car.
Oh no, quality materials for sure. I mean, you know, you're getting a Mercedes product here, so you're gonna get.
Yeah, your baseline is really high.
Yeah, your baseline is gonna be good quality.
Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button right there. And check out the rest of our channel for more great videos.